If you want to sell models online, you have to upload one wireframe render of your model. So you can do this easily in Blender. We are going to make preview image render in wireframe shading. And after that, we are going to make a clay render. And in the end, we are going to mix these two images together in the compositing editor. So let's go. Select the wireframe shading, get rid of the plane by hiding it, and get rid of the lines by click on this overlay button. And the most important part is to enable transparent background here. View, viewport render image, and this is cool. So save this image in your folder and rename it to wire, maybe wireframe, and save as image. Okay, you can close it now. I hide the plane. We are going to make the clay render. Here is a handy option in Blender. Go to the View tab and scroll down to Override. And you can override all the materials in your scene with one material. For example, if I choose this wood texture, it applies on the plane and the bench as well. We have to make a clay material. Add the new object, put it here, and go to the shading tab and select this object and add the new material to it. Rename it to clay and delete this principal BSDF. Add an ambient occlusion node. Here's a quick tip. You can assign a shortcut for the search. Right click on the search, assign shortcut. My shortcut is Shift and the button next to the Shift called grless. But you can set anything you want. This is the clay material. Select the clay. You can see this is a nice clay render. Okay, so before you hit render, enable the denoising data here for a clean image and set the sample to 2 or a low sample because it isn't necessary, because the denoising will clean everything. And now you can hit render. Here's another quick tip. If you want faster renders, you should enable auto tile size. This add-on optimizes your tile size to your computer. Okay, the rendering is done. Go to here, check the use nodes checkbox. You can see your render by connect these together. Let's add the image, the wireframe. Select the wireframe and mix the clay and the wireframe together. You can do this by search for mix and connect this image to the image. And you can connect this. Yeah, it's black, but you can get rid of this, connect the alpha to the factor, and you have a nice nice wireframe render. If you want to make those lines more obvious, put color ramp here to the alpha and do this. and it becomes dark, as you can see. This is a noisy image. You can denoise it. So search for denoise and put it here, and noisy image to the image, denoising normal to the normal, denoising albedo to the albedo, and connect the image to the image. And we have to wait an hour or a second. Okay, so it's done. Look at this image. It looks like a SketchUp render. All I have to do is save as, rename it, play wire, save as image. That's it, girls and boys.